Welcome to MasterClass Lesson 12. This lesson we will talk about creating a blog post for our online business. Many people may not understand getting leads from social media is only a follower or connection unless you are prepared to pay for advertisement. Here I am showing you how to get visitors from social media in a legal way. Right, first of all, these are all the social media. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are all organic link. So when we have connection with them or they are follower, what we need to do, we have to bring them into our blog post, our website blog post that we share with them. No selling, important. When you hit the right niche that people want it, people of course will click and go into your blog post. From the blog post, we will encourage them to go into the landing page. Right, that is the legal way. A landing page is a legal way of capturing your own customer database and follow up by autoresponder, which is in our pure leverage system. We have about 50 email follow-up, building relationship with them, getting to know you, like you, and trust you. So from there, then we can convert them leads to a customer. When we come to promoting your business, right, example, if you have built up to 1,000 customer lists, talking about promoting whatever services or product that you have, only take about 5%. You will not get 100%, but you get 5% to buy your product. And if you are selling the product at $30, let's do the sum. 1,000 times 5% is about 50 buyers. So with 50 buyers and pay you $30 is equal to 1,500. Talking about $30 is most of the time is affordable to most of the buyers. So, and this is where I'm saying that build your customer list in a legal way. Here I'm showing you the very more professional template that can be created by yourself. And then when you look at it here, you can see top here, basically the header menu. Connect the link to whatever page you want here, and you have the featured image. This I will show you how you actually integrate all this layout. The next you see here, this is the title, what are the essential oil, followed by the author image and the category we're talking about, Victoria, and down below is the social media that will link to your Facebook and everything. So from here start, down below is the content. This content basically you can put in image and as well as video. Okay, next to it is the subscribe to our layout. Is actually an opt-in page here. This is under Pure Leverage and you will link to Pure Leverage to responder. And right below them is the post that you have been put it up accordingly. The top one will be the latest. We have just set to only 3 posts we show up. Okay, here then you have a subscription for a newsletter, name and email. So another way of capturing your visitor. Then this part is leaving a reply, their feedback, comment. They will give you the name and email, or if they have a website. The name and email is compulsory, right? There is an asterisk here, and they post the comments. Down below is the most article, and this is the latest article or the post that you have, followed by the second post, the third. And right below here is your footer that comprises whatever you want to name it, product, features, get started, about, and then you have also again show the social media. One of the reasons when we design this, normally people when they scroll down to your so-called the post page or the website page, they never like to scroll back to the top. Once they go through in the flow, they end up here, either that. That's why we have this subscription, and you can see here is also another subscription. And one more thing here, we put in the banner, one of the banner. Well, this banner can be anything else. Anybody are interested to pay you an advertisement fee, you can put their banner here, also called the image here, which will benefit them. Of course, they will pay you for putting the the image here, so that you link to, so they also get the benefit. But you also can put in your own. This is The one I'm showing you is actually an affiliate, PL affiliate link. So whoever think that they want to join Pure Leverage, this is the page that they will go in. When you click, you will go into Pure Leverage. Not to but you also can put in other people. They will pay you for advertisement fee, and you can put them here also. So when it comes to post, example like this page is called doTERRA and product, and somebody say, hey, I also want to have a doTERRA page here. So you put an image here. When they click, they'll go to their own landing page or whatever you call it. Well, before we go into creating the post, I want you to understand how you can create your post. Then later on, we create the template ourselves. So every post that you put in is automatically in the same format as what you have seen just now. So here, you see we put in, this is the title, and this is the content of the page. You can see the whole content. Then this is the featured image. That's what you saw just now. It's the whole features image. The excerpt is always in the top part where you see the introduction and things like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. This is what you see. Basically, as what you put in, you will see header, feature image, title of the post, excerpt, title, content, the auto link, auto image, and social media. Then at the bottom, you further down to the bottom of the page, you see the subscription, reply, comments, and then affiliate links and all that. As I mentioned earlier, this is all the posts early on that you have the link to anything that people want to pay you the advertisement. Well, you can put their image or the link over the side. So this is the bottom just to show you the following posts that you have. Okay, before we start to create your own template, we have to go and set up a few posts first. So what we go to the dashboard and then we look for posts. So I'm going to create a new post. So I add new, put in the title. Where do I get a title? Okay, basically I already prepared some title here. I just copy, but I don't want to duplicate it. So I just copy it and then I just come back here. I put the title. I paste it. So, but then there are two titles. I just take out this one so that we are just doing for training. The next thing we do is the content. So we had to pick out all the content here. Content, copy. Then we go over. We just open here. We paste it. So the content is there. But there will be an image down below. Let's look at this. So I go to image, right? I have to look for the image. Either I upload or from the library. So if I want to go to the library, I can just click to the library and I look for an image. Just an image, okay? Just to show you how the thing works. Just insert there, the image there. Then I put in the next one. I want to put in the text. Text is here already. Okay, so I need to copy part of the text. Okay, here copy, go back, okay, just paste it over. And another text here. So I completed the whole text here. And the next thing I do, I want to have a features image. Okay, I look for the features image. Features image is here. Okay, let's look what is the features image. Okay, this is a features image. Alright, we look for this. Anyway, it's in our library. Go back to our library. There's the one. Okay, let's insert. Okay, the features image is here. See that? The next thing to do is the excerpt. Excerpt is mainly the summary of the top part of the explaining the introduction of the thing. So when I go for excerpt, I already prepared it. Just go in, I copy, and I come back here, just paste over here. Then I publish it. So in here, I don't use the Elementor. Basically, I use WordPress. Just publish it and then publish. Once it's done, you'll see, look here, I already added here essential oil. Okay, just to show you. If you want to view, you can view, but I have not created the template yet. We can view it. That's how it will look. This is basically how it will look. Right, essential oil. But this is because there is already a template. Okay, I think that's it. That's all. We come to the end of lesson 12 about creating a blog post for your website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next coming lesson. Hope you have fun and enjoy learning. Thanks for watching my channel.